Hi, I'm Dr. Donna Galante. I'm an orthodontist and my business is Cater Galante Orthodontics. And I've been in practice over 25 years. And I'm here today to share with you the 9 most frequently asked questions about braces versus Invisalign. So, first question is, what about discomfort? Well, with braces, everyone understands that you have these metal brackets glued to your teeth, and they are oftentimes rubbing on the inside of your cheeks, causing you some mouth ulcers and some discomfort from also wires that end up poking you in the cheek. With Invisalign, there's nothing glued to your teeth that will cause you that discomfort. No wires poking, no brackets that can come loose. Second question I get asked is about appearance. And honestly, that's pretty obvious. Invisalign is clear, virtually invisible. There are clear braces that are glued to your teeth that are more aesthetic than the large metal braces that are typically seen. And those do have some benefit as far as appearance goes, but nothing beats the clear removable aligners of Invisalign. Third question, what about tooth movement? Which works better? Again, braces will move your teeth where you want them to go. But Invisalign does exactly the same thing in a very prescribed, detailed manner. Everything's done on the computer and everything is pre-programmed to move. So if you compare Invisalign to braces, you'll find that tooth movement is quite the same, and in some cases with Invisalign, that much better because it's 100% prescribed. Oral hygiene, what about toothbrushing? Well, with braces on, pretty much everything you eat gets stuck around those brackets and wires. Invisalign, you get to remove them. Take them out to eat what you want, brush and floss like you normally do, and put them back in. So really no comparison. Oral hygiene with Invisalign is definitely a plus. What about what can I eat? With braces, there's restrictions regarding chewing gum, caramels, taffies, all those hard, chewy, sticky things that can stick to your braces and actually break your wires. And brackets, Invisalign, you simply remove them, eat your favorite foods, and brush your teeth and put your aligners back in. What about emergencies? This is a really big difference, especially for parents. Typically, with braces, you will have emergency visits that require replacement of brackets that have fallen off, wires that need to be clipped because they're poking. Oftentimes, if you play a sport, you'll have injuries related to balls or arms hitting your face. Invisalign, 0 emergencies. There's nothing to be broken. If you do get hit in the face with an arm, a hand, a ball, the aligners will actually protect your teeth from injury. Treatment time, how long does it take? Is it much longer with Invisalign? This question comes up all the time. And quite honestly, the answer is treatment time is really dependent a lot on the patient's cooperation. If I have a patient with braces on who is following all of my instructions perfectly, and I have an Invisalign patient who is following all my instructions perfectly, they typically will finish treatment on time. Patients don't wear their aligners, patients keep breaking their braces, treatment will take longer. So in regards to treatment time, it is very cooperation dependent in both scenarios. What about cost? In the beginning, when Invisalign first came out, it was significantly more expensive than braces, and that was cost prohibitive for many people. Fortunately, with the technology today that Invisalign has developed, and the fact that they've treated over 1.5 million patients, the cost of Invisalign has come down significantly. And in our office is actually the same price as metal braces. So the final question is, what is best for you? And that is a question that we can only answer when we sit down and actually look over your teeth, your bite, and look over your situation. We do offer a complimentary exam and consultation, and we invite you to call our office and schedule that free exam with either Margaret or Natasha, and our phone number is 916-435-8000, or you can check us out on the web at www.lovemysmile.com. That's mysmile.com.